Venus, the second planet from the Sun, shines brighter in Earth's sky than any other world besides the Moon. For thousands of years, civilizations watched this dazzling object rise before sunrise or glow after sunset, calling it the morning star and the evening star. Ancient astronomers did not realize these two lights were the same object. Yet Venus left a powerful mark on mythology, culture, and early science. Named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, the planet appears serene from afar. Venus is almost Earth's twin in size and mass, which once led scientists to imagine it as a warm, ocean-covered world filled with life. Its diameter is only slightly smaller than Earth's, and its rocky composition suggests a similar origin billions of years ago from the swirling disk of dust and gas around the newborn sun. But despite these similarities, Venus followed a drastically different evolutionary path, becoming a planet where surface temperatures soar high enough to melt lead. Orbiting the Sun at an average distance of about 108 million kilometers, Venus completes one revolution every 225 Earth days. Its rotation, however, is extremely unusual. The planet spins very slowly and in the opposite direction of most planets, meaning the Sun would appear to rise in the west and set in the east if someone could stand on its surface. A single day on Venus, one full rotation, lasts longer than its entire year. This strange spin may be the result of massive collisions early in its history or complex interactions with its thick atmosphere over billions of years. One of Venus's most defining features is its dense atmosphere, composed primarily of carbon dioxide with thick clouds of sulfuric acid. This atmosphere traps heat with extraordinary efficiency through a runaway greenhouse effect. Sunlight passes through the clouds and warms the surface, but the heat cannot easily escape back into space. As a result, Venus maintains an average surface temperature of around 465 degrees Celsius, hotter than Mercury, even though Mercury is much closer to the Sun. The atmospheric pressure at the surface is more than 90 times that of Earth, equivalent to being nearly a kilometer underwater in Earth's oceans. The cloud layers that completely blanket Venus make it impossible to see the surface with ordinary telescopes. These clouds swirl around the planet at incredible speeds, driven by powerful winds that can reach hundreds of kilometers per hour at high altitudes. Yet, near the surface, the thick air moves much more slowly, creeping across the ground like a heavy, invisible ocean. Lightning may flash within these clouds, and chemical reactions constantly reshape their composition, creating one of the most complex and dynamic atmospheres known in the solar system. Hidden beneath the clouds lies a vast and dramatic landscape. Radar mapping from spacecraft has revealed enormous volcanic plains. Towering shield volcanoes, fractured highlands, and immense lava flows that stretch for hundreds of kilometers. Venus is home to some of the largest volcanoes in the solar system, including Mons, which rises higher than any mountain on Earth when measured from base to summit. Circular features, called coronae, unique to Venus, hint at hot plumes of material rising from deep within the planet's mantle, pushing and cracking the crust above. For many years, scientists debated whether Venus is still volcanically active today. Recent observations have strengthened the case that it is. Subtle changes in atmospheric gases and newly detected surface features suggest that eruptions may have occurred in the geologically recent past, and perhaps are still happening now. If confirmed, active volcanism would mean Venus continues to reshape itself, releasing gases that could further influence its already extreme climate. Exploring Venus directly has always been a formidable challenge. The first spacecraft to fly by the planet in the early 1960s quickly revealed that it was far from the lush world some had imagined. The Soviet Venera missions later achieved historic milestones by landing probes on the surface and transmitting images and data before being destroyed by the crushing pressure and searing heat. These brief glimpses showed rocky terrain under a dim, orange-tinted sky with heavy clouds blocking most sunlight. Other missions, such as NASA's Magellan spacecraft, mapped nearly the entire surface using radar, providing the detailed global views scientists rely on today. Venus also plays a crucial role in helping researchers understand planetary climates, including Earth's own future. The runaway greenhouse effect on Venus offers a powerful example of how atmospheric composition can dramatically alter a planet's temperature. By studying how Venus lost any early water it may have had and how carbon dioxide came to dominate its atmosphere, scientists gain insight into climate feedback mechanisms that could operate on other worlds, including potentially habitable exoplanets orbiting distant stars. In recent years, Venus has returned to the spotlight with new missions planned to explore it in unprecedented detail. Orbiters equipped with advanced instruments aim to probe the atmosphere, search for signs of active geology, and map the surface at far higher resolution than ever before. Proposed landers and atmospheric balloons could one day float through the clouds or briefly touch down again, enduring the harsh conditions long enough to unlock new secrets about the planet's chemistry and history. Among the most intriguing questions is whether Venus might once have been more Earth-like, with oceans of liquid water and a milder climate billions of years ago. Some models suggest that early Venus could have supported shallow seas before increasing solar brightness and volcanic outgassing triggered the catastrophic greenhouse effect that transformed it into the inferno we see today. If true, Venus would serve as a stark reminder of how dramatically a planet's fate can change over cosmic time. Today, Venus remains both familiar and alien, a world close to Earth, yet shaped by forces that turned it into one of the most extreme environments known. Its brilliance in the night sky hides a turbulent atmosphere, a scorching surface, and a complex geological story still being unraveled. As new missions set their sights on this mysterious neighbor, scientists hope Venus will reveal not only its own past, but also broader truths about how planets evolve, how climates run wild, and how rare or fragile truly Earth-like worlds may be in the universe.